Hindi ya kigomano giki kiria kihurirwo shafi umuthi, Ataramu ni matariirie uria unyihu wa kigina ucoketie na thutha na kurugamia tabarira nyingi iria ibatie guteithiriria Kenya kwirugamirira na kugacirithia urimi niguo kuhitana na ng'aragu. Nyingi cia tabarira ici cia uthuthuria iria itabanagirio thukuru-ini cia university ikoretwo ikiamukira thi wa gicunji kia igiri hari igana kia budget, Thirikari ikiuga kuri na mubango wa gucaria kigina makiria.
So the plan is there to enhance on research funding, and particularly to our National Research Fund, and in extension, of course, to also the regulators in this sector. Together, I'm sure with our partners, we can be able to mobilize the necessary resources to be able to do the various programs, projects, and innovation.
Ihinda-ini riu, university cia andu kiumbe no ciguthie na mbere kwamukira kigina gia guteithiriria tabarira cia uthuthuria kuma kuri thirikari, ona thengia ya thirikari kurugamia mubango wa kurihira githomo arutwo aria maracagura kuingira university-ini cia andu kiumbe.
Funding of private university shall continue, and more specifically we are also encouraging public-private partnership whereby we need to see commercialization of research outputs. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano giki, Frederick Ndambuki, afitha kuma ministry-ini ya githomo urio kurugamirire minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu, nianiriire mubango wa thirikari wa kuruguria university nene ya Kenya iria rithomagwo kuhitukira nenda cia ukinyaniria, akiuga imwe cia kothi iria arutwo megukorwo magithoma ni kiguni hari maundu maria marariririo kigomano-ini giki.
The objective is to leverage on technology to provide accessible, affordable, and convenient tertiary education, starting from September of this year, 2023.
Thiini wa gikaro kingi muthia-ini wa kiumia, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa woyani wa university Masi wa Home ni atariirie uria kuhingurwo kwa university ino guguteithiriria kuhuthia mutaratara wa githomo kia ngathi cia iguru.
Seen the open universities in South Africa, in Nigeria, in the UK. With the open university you can take as long as you want, because it is flexible.
Oho akiuga arutwo a miaka ya hau kabere aria mahingiririo ni ukunderu wa points cia kuingira university ni megukorwo na mweke wa gutwarithia na mbere mathomo mao.
We talked about those candidates who got C+ and above that were locked up out because of the high cutoffs those years. This is again an opportunity when we have the open universities.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Gitagwo Gina wa Waduro.